Here, you build up through there. Last thing on the trail. As you can tell, it's real easy.
Hey, get away! That was a good hit.
We are back at AOP.
Yes, we are. Brad's already broken.
Oh yeah, so he's done.
Dwight broke his on the night ride 2 times.
Yeah, we got some small clips and videos and stuff.
Yeah,
where,
you'll see those on Instagram. He broke a rear axle shaft and destroyed a entire front knuckle on George Winter. That started about midnight, and we come off the mountain about 3:30.
Yeah. I don't think I laid down till 5 this morning.
He's back together, but Brad broke the spider gears in his locker.
Did the carrier come apart? Of the locker?
I don't know, there's a lot of pieces in there. I told y'all, wait till Saturday before you get stupider. Never listen.
So he's out for the day. He's gonna be riding passenger with somebody.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, pull the cable right there. Yep, pull the cable.
Someone hook me up. So we got goodie powders in, Red Bull, sun shining. It's not as cold as what it was.
A breakfast sandwich.
Oh man.
And we're ready to go hit a trail.
Ready to go.
Headed to Trail 77.
Yeah, we're gonna see if we can get into some hard stuff today. Hey, at least you beat Bart. All right, Dwight.
Can't wait to see John Moore does going up there.
Think he'll make it? I don't know. His name's John Moore. It's a problem.
I know you got anything to say about them Prater boys?
Sticky thing. Nah. It is what it is.
Oh, that's right. That's Brian. Look at that. Whoa, that's awesome. That's good.
You like that tight?
No, they're still burning that mud hole.
At least 2 of them anyway.
There it is. There it is.
Damn, that's up.
Nice.
He's coming in that one. Look at you. That thing is awful. Not gonna get worse.
Where we at?
We are at Gatekeeper.
Gatekeeper. We're gonna see how many of us can get up through here.
Sticky for the win.
Yeah, don't scratch the paint now.
That's Sean Moore. He don't rip. He don't rip. Goes by his own rules.
Back up, driver. I did that earlier. Jesus, I know. All right, a little more. No. Stay driver. Back up. A little more there. All right, right there. Now come passenger. This way. There you go. No
He
problem.
did escape.
Passenger. There you go. Passenger.
You ain't bad right there if you bump it.
Yeah, you gotta climb that wall in front of you. Stay passenger.
Right there.
They will know the difference in driver and passenger in future reference.
You're talking to the wrong crowd.
No shit.
Hey, just wait till he gets his shit done. It's gonna be that late.
Yeah.
Oh damn. I didn't think about that.
Hey, the spotter could really screw me up. small stud right here, a little bit worse than what we wanted. Good. Hey, that's how you do it. Got oil everywhere.
Not how you do that. Just shit.
That was Dad saying what somebody told
We're out of snacks.
Famished is what we are.
We've got no more.
Wouldn't even share. Like, he had a corner, hit over there, drank it, and then come back over and said, look at this plastic bottle I found. Knowing damn good and well he had fluid in it.
All empty.
All of us thirsty.
I don't know how we'll make it.
Bart does what he has to. We're here for more sport. Right there.
I can't have money. Full purple.
That's high.
Where you fill it up in that little diaphragm thing?
That's a permanent fill right there. Get it. knees down there.
Alright, I'm gonna see if I can get past this stuff. And it looks like
There's a ledge up there on the top that's like, the wild beat the hell out of it. John went right over it.
okay.
Yeah, you're still good, you're still good. Alright, back up, you're gonna have to bump it again. Right there. Oh, hey, be foul, back it up. Back up, back up. He'll come. Get out of the way before it does something crazy. Hit it. Yoo-hoo, boy.
He ain't been. He wasn't too nice that Cherokee coming up through there. Woo!
Oh! He good over there?
Oh,
That was a good hit.
he lost his hat. I don't know what got into me. At some point, I say, hell, just send it.
Alright, that's the end of this trip.
The weekend was a absolute blast.
Yeah, we did nothing but black trails.
There was some picking them up, putting them down, if you know what I mean.
So we started on 41,
Yep.
and then we did.
We done 41 the night. Then we went to George Winter.
If you follow us on Instagram, there'll be a bunch of pictures and some short video clips of that.
That's
Yeah.
all
So
I'd
by
say.
Saturday, by the time we started filming, everybody had already put a pretty good beat down on the rig. So yeah, we started Saturday with Trail 77.
Yep.
And then we did Mouthwash and Gatekeeper.
Gatekeeper mouthwash.
Yeah, that's right. And other than breaking the driver rear brake line, and I got a little bit of a transmission leak from a cooler line that I got to fix. But thanks for watching, and maybe one day we'll see you out on the trail.
See y'all.
Peace.
That's kind of where it started, was coming
Just
from
wait.
the other side.
I'm hunting for that hill.
AKA heel killer.